Hey guys, what's up? Christy Lee here hanging out at SEMA 2022, and I know there's a lot of amazing cars and awesome things to see here. And one thing I will say is when you walk up to a car, generally you kind of expect it to be finished, but this car is not finished because it's purposeful. There's a reason behind that, and we just want to learn a little bit more about that. So today I'm joined by Crystal Lawrence from KTL and Tina Nellis from BASF, and we're going to talk about this. Tell me a little bit more about this car behind us here.
Do you want me to start?
I can start.
We're riffing here. We're riffing.
We're going. So this is an initiative called Operative Talent. It started on a late evening phone call.
9 o'clock at night phone call, yeah.
Ooh, were cocktails involved?
Probably.
Okay.
And this one said, I got a crazy idea. And I'm like, what would that be? And she said, I want to build a Camaro, and I want to raise money to attract talent to the industry. I said, I know a guy. Hence, we went and we talked to Brandon with Collision Repair Education Foundation, and Operative Talent was born.
And that's it. And
that's it. So here we are, like almost 2 years in.
Okay.
Yeah, almost 50 partners in.
Wow.
Yeah. And at SEMA with all of our partners just to get awareness out about the build.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what is the message that we kind of want everybody to know that's both watching this video and attending at SEMA right now about this build in particular?
So it's to get kids involved. And I'm located in Virginia. We're actually going to be bringing kids in ages 16 to 23 so that they can actually get hands-on. I mean, that's part of the thing. We're losing auto body shops. I mean, we're losing programs. High schools are losing programs. I have a 17-year-old daughter that kind of sparked this when she was 15. So, and then it's just, my husband's really passionate about it, and so we want to get kids in. But then we have all these amazing partners that have come in, and they want to keep doing things around the country. And so this is just build one.
This is just build one.
Yeah, it was only supposed to be one.
I mean, you guys had quite the list of partners that are involved with this.
Yes.
Which is great. That's
Yes.
an awesome way to start out with the very first build. And you mentioned that you want to get kids involved, and we've got this amazing car which is just in its beginning phases, and you also have a really awesome red truck back in the distance. Don't be distracted by that beauty, but we have to talk about that truck as well. So there was someone very special that built this truck. Yes?
There is.
And we want to give him an award.
We did.
And we should grab him. Where is he? Where's Connor?
Where's Connor?
Get in here. Get in here. Over here. Look, he's like, oh wait, I gotta go on camera. And you're going on camera. Okay, so let's talk about this. Connor Cruz, I know your dad very well. Yep. Let's talk about this truck behind us here.
Okay, it's a 1998 Silverado. It's a slowered, obviously. We painted it Viper Red from BASF. It's great. And then it's got a 350 in it from Chevy Performance. We did a bunch of body modifications. It's got a custom interior that's also red, same color. It was really hard to match the outside color and the interior color, but we pulled it off.
I mean, it looks fantastic. And you won an award as well.
Yes, he did. The first annual Talent for Tomorrow Award presented by BASF.
Congratulations.
And Connor, tell everybody how old you are.
16.
Yeah. I feel younger now. No.
At least you feel younger and not the opposite.
Right. Well, congratulations again. The truck is absolutely amazing. So, ladies, we've got some great partners that are involved with this project. Covercraft, of course, which is one of them. I'm also part of the Covercraft family. Are there any other sponsors that you want to thank or make any shout-outs to right now with this project?
Yes, and I don't want to leave anybody out. I'll try not to.
I'll help. No pressure. No pressure.
AMD Garage. They're right here filming. They've been amazing. Ring Brothers. You'll see a lot of parts on there from Ring Brothers. Roadster Shop.
Vintage Air, Bear Brakes, Uni Wheel. We could go on for hours and hours. But what I
Chevy Performance, Tremec.
encourage
transmission.
encourage you to do is on operativetalent.com. We have every partner listed.
Oh, fantastic.
That way we don't miss a partner.
I was going to say, you're going to have one of them watch this video and like,
me.
Okay, you mentioned the website where people can go. This is the first build of hopefully many to come.
Yes.
Yep.
And I know you want to get more people involved. You want to get more companies involved. You want to bring more awareness to an awesome project like this. How can the people watching get involved?
So there's a couple different ways. I'll start with the first one, which is buying your raffle ticket, going to operativetalent.com, clicking on the top, linking you directly to the fundraising site to get your ticket for the car. Second is if you're interested in being an additional sponsor, you can click sponsor, be a partner, and that'll send some information to Crystal and I, and we'll reach out and have those conversations. And I'll let her talk about the last way.
Oh,
Students.
there's so many ways. The students. Hold on. I'm how many interviews in am I on? I'm brain dead. The other way is absolutely the most important, other than raising the funds, is getting the students involved. So operativetalent.com, we keep driving that website into everybody's head. Go there, there's a student application already up. They can go apply. And we're going to be getting kids to come in on welding, bodywork, sheet metal, in all of it. Yeah, they're going to be right in our shop. But there's also other partners across the country that are reaching out and going, well, if they're not near you, then how can I get them involved with us?
Fantastic. So you heard it, operativetalent.com. I'm going to say it again, reinforce it a little bit more. Getting our youth involved with an amazing program and hopefully many more to come. And you guys got a lot of work to do on this car, so we're going to need some people. Operativetalent.com. Don't forget, Connor, congratulations once again. One more time, operativetalent.com. Crystal, Tina, thank you ladies so much, and best of luck with this.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.